Hi, I am Taj from the YouTube channel Taj's Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to create one of these amazing Lithophanes that you can share your most valued family memories right in the sunlight. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to itslitho.com and click on Get Started. Then you go Step 2. Go to Upload and then go find yourself an image. I've got this image of my logo I created previously, not in a video. What you want to do is put it directly into the website, it's Litho. Unlike that, what you want to do is go upload, pictures, and then I go to my folder, and then click on the image and click open. Then here your image is right where you want it. Then you go to edit, make sure everything's how you want it. It should look similar to this but with your image. Then go to model after that. Play around with all the settings. I personally recommend to go with arc, which gives it this curved look, which I think looks really good. Other options, you've got your frame. You can do a border, which is that, frame, or nothing. You can change everything like that, but I recommend keeping it like that. And then once you've done with that, what you do is go over to the download button right here. And then what you can do is you can actually create a color lithophane, which I'm not going to do today because I actually haven't worked out how to do it properly. What you do is click on download lithophane, and then it will download directly over there. And then what you want to do is open your 3D software of choice. I am going to use Cura 4.7 today. Wait for it to load. I'll be back once it's opened. Now once my software of choice Cura has opened, you can use what you know. But I recommend if this is your first time printing, use Cura. Now what you want to do is go to File, Downloads, and then your downloaded lithophane directly from the internet. It should be called It's Litho underscore whatever your image was called. Now you open that, wait for it to load in. It usually takes a bit because it is a high triangle count. Here it is, all in. You can rotate it, do whatever you want with it. And then you go to up here and click on the quality you want. I recommend standard quality for a nice even amount of quick printing and decent detail. And then once you have done this, what you do is you click slice and it will process. And then straight after that, what you do is download it. I mean, not download it. Put it onto your SD card. Now that we have finished slicing, and you may have noticed that the model is a bit smaller, and that's because I can't wait 8 hours, which was going to be its original print. So now, and side note, remember to turn off your support material, otherwise it'll wreck the finished model. So now what we want to do is save it to your removable drive. Oh no, what's this? I plugged into the wrong slot again. What do I do here? I'll go put it on the SD card, and I'll come see you back once I've finished slicing and printing. Now here is your finished lithophane. Now enjoy it. Here is a picture of mine with the light on, and now with the light off. And back with the light on. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye!